everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. Today I'm sharing a really quick shop with me vlog, and this is yet another episode in my journey to less toxic nail polish series, and I've been having a lot of fun sharing these videos with you. And if you haven't been on my channel before, if this is your first time here, as I just said, I have been on a journey to less toxic nail polish. I've been decluttering a ton of polishes and I've been researching a lot about ingredients and formulas and things like that. So if you haven't already, definitely subscribe for more episodes in this series as well as other videos, and make sure you check out my website to look at my less toxic page, where you can find lots of scientific resources on nail polish ingredients and overall just get an idea of the shift that my channel has been going through over the last couple months. But today I decided to head over to Sally Beauty to do a little bit more nail polish shopping. So I decided to pick up just a couple today. I ended up getting 3 from China Glaze, as well as the Nails Inc color change polishes that I reviewed recently on my channel. I'll put that link up in the cards, you can go see that. I've actually been really happy with the more modern China Glaze formulas. I really like that they're aiming for simplicity, and they do have very few ingredients, which is really nice because, as you would know if you've watched my decluttering videos, a lot of the older China Glaze polishes that I had were very saturated with a lot of ingredients that I'm really not happy with, and that actually a lot of brands have really made strides to remove, which is really great. So I ended up getting another one, or actually 2, I forgot, I got 2 from the Cali collection. Like I said, I just had to get a couple from that one, so that was fun. And I also found one from the Jollywood collection that I hadn't picked up initially, and I did look at the description and it's actually a matte polish apparently, so I'm very excited to swatch that one soon. So I had a lot of fun looking around Sally Beauty. I really like going there to find the new collections and things like that. So then I also went to, I believe this was CVS that this footage is from, and you can see this is the Havana Nights China Glaze collection, and I'm not sure if I'm going to get any from this just because I don't wear neon polishes a lot, and I think I had looked at the ingredients and they weren't as good as some of their other ones, so I'm going to do some more research and let you guys know. But I also spotted this gorgeous display of Essie Expressi polishes. I mentioned this in another video recently. I realized how many of these Expressi polishes I have now. I know they've been out for quite a while, and I do really like these, and I just love this color scheme right here. I don't know if this was just a setup for spring or if this was a new collection, but I'll have to look into that. So that was some footage from my shopping trip, and here are the polishes that I got. This one is called Tangerine Heat. It's from China Glaze. I'm only going to do a brief little overview of the ones I got since I will be doing a haul video next, but this one is called Screen Vixen. Yeah, Screen Vixen. I almost forgot the name of it. And then the next one is called Surfside Skies. I actually got this one for a mani swap that I did over on Instagram, so you can go check that out at the link in my description box. And then I have the 2 Nails Inc polishes. This one is a really pretty pink. It's called Hotter Than Hot, and it transitions to a nice bright white. So like I said, go check out that video to see these in action. And then we have In a Hot Minute, which I said in that video, it's such a cute name. So I really like these 2, and I would definitely like to get more from this Nails Inc line. They are really fun and definitely unique to my collection. So that is it for this really quick kind of shop with me vlog and mini haul. I didn't want to do too much of a haul this time because, like I said, I have a little bit of a bigger haul next week, which will include these and a couple others. So I am very excited to share these with you in that video. And then, like I said, after that I will be doing a little swatch with me, which will actually be a collab. So make sure you come back for those videos. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you again very soon in another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a polished rest of your day. Bye!